Parasite cleanses are exploding on social media, and Vello Parasite Cleanse claims it can remove parasites, reduce bloating, boost energy, and detox your gut. But does it actually work, or is it just another viral wellness product? Let's take a closer look. So, Vello Parasite Cleanse is sold as liquid herbal drops designed to eliminate parasites at different life stages and improve digestion, energy, and even sleep. The brand recommends taking 2 droppers daily for several weeks as part of a gut cleanse routine. There are a few reasons why the product gets attention. It uses herbal ingredients commonly found in detox formulas like black walnut and oregano, and some customers report improvements in bloating, digestion, and energy after taking it. But these results are mostly based on testimonials rather than scientific studies. There are also some warning signs. The company has mixed reviews, with some users complaining about refunds, subscriptions, or product effectiveness. Health experts say most parasite cleanse supplements lack clinical evidence and often are unnecessary unless a real infection is diagnosed. Supplements like these are not tightly regulated, so ingredient quality and effectiveness may vary. So is Velo Parasite Cleanse legit? It appears to be a typical herbal supplement, but there's no strong scientific proof it can eliminate parasites. If you suspect a parasite infection, medical testing and proper treatment are far more reliable. The bottom line, it isn't necessarily fake, but the fake parasite removal claims are likely exaggerated and the benefits are not strongly supported by clinical evidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.